Hello, my friends. I hope you are well. My name is Pejman. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at University of Liechtenstein, Department of Information System and Computer Science. Today, I want to talk about my new application. The name is GroqLLaVAMA, Econometrics Agent. And why this name? Because it's a combination of new amazing model of GroqLLaVA and Llama 3.1 as an agent. So you can see upload an econometric chart and get a detailed analysis using GroqLLaVA v1.5, 7 billion parameters multimodal, and Llama 3.1. The application is really amazing for people who wanna actually analyze some pictures, some images, the econometrics, economics, business, marketing, and because I usually focus on the different problems on econometrics, on sustainability, marketing, business, these kinds of application can be great. Let's test the application first, that it can make more sense for you, and then we will talk about technical things. Before everything, you just need a API key from the Groq. If you don't know what is Groq, just search Groq in the internet. You can find it. It's really easy. Just sign up and register your name, and you can have your API key in the free plan. So I just paste my API key here, and then I just need to upload an image. Let's me upload an image, and then we can see what will happen. Okay. For example, this bar chart. Okay, it's a vertical grouped bar chart, sales by year and country from 2080 to 2021. Different countries, three countries, Canada, USA, and Mexico. Okay, generate a report. And the model is deployed on Hugging Face Cloud. Actually, you can see my username is Arad1367, and you have access to all my projects here in this address. And for this project, I just use CPU. It's not on the GPU here. And even you can actually use Google Colab, and you can see this beautiful output. So what is that? First, we have a image description. This is the part, it's done by GroqLLaVA. You can see the image depicts a slice by country event, a very great explanation about details of this image. It's a chart, it's a bar chart, everything, every details about this image. But in the right side, you can see the output of Llama 3. It's an absolute complete report, economical report. So you can see this report come from Llama 3. It's a comparative analysis of sales. Actually, it's a professional senior econometrics uh, person. You can actually use this term. And who want to review and who want to add something more to this image description. So it's exactly what we want. The combination of large language models in the way we can use it in efficient ways. And we have a nice introduction here. We have a methodology about this image, key findings about United States, about Canada, about comparative analysis, and even a conclusion, the same of a paper. And even it can provide some recommendations about this image. A very small image, a lot of information. A very nice, well-written report. Okay, let's test another image. It's exciting, yeah? Okay. For example, about Tesla. This is an image I found in the internet about Tesla, and I want to actually test it. In the end of this app, you can find, let's show you, you can find my LinkedIn, my GitHub, live demo of my PhD defense, and introduction Llama v1.7 billion parameters cloud. Okay, so if you enjoy this app, I will be happy if you actually like my application in GitHub, here in Hugging Face. It can be great. Okay, back to analysis. We have this image, and it's about Tesla. You can see different types, different numbers, and just generate reports. Okay, so this model is so fast and can actually produce a lot of information in a time frame. Yeah. Image description: the graph depicts a sharp decline of company likely Tesla in the last quarter of 2011. This drop has the CEO considering letting Tesla's private stock available. And in this side, you can see again a very great report. Again, introduction, analysis, market competition, regulatory challenge, everything, recommendations. So that's great. I guess that's great. But I made this application just for econometrics and marketing because it's actually kinds of purpose I have in my applications. What does it mean? For example, if you try to upload this kinds of image, for example, this beautiful bird. I don't know what is the name of this beautiful bird, but it's a beautiful bird. And try to generate a report what happened. Still, we have image description from LLaVA. The image features a small, white, and fluffy bird sitting on a tree branch outdoors during winter. Yeah, it's great. But about report, you can see the image is not related to the area of the app covers. Please import a relevant image. So, you just can input econometrics, time series, charts, and everything related to analysis of a chart. And you cannot actually enter other stuff here. I will explain how you can limit this app to this kinds of actually report. And what happens if you use run Groq API key? Just clear everything. And after that, for example, a run Groq API again, this image, for example, and try to generate report. You can see, please enter a correct API key and try again. So I think that it's a really great application. It's deployed on the Hugging Face. Even you can deploy this application on Amazon Web Service, Azure, GCP, any cloud you like. Actually, maybe I will make another video about how you can deploy this application on AWS. It can be great, I guess that. But for our purpose, Hugging Face is great. Thanks to Hugging Face for easy deployment. Thanks to Groq for this amazing model. Thanks to Meta Facebook for Llama 3. And thanks to Gradio for this amazing software development kit. Okay, let's check a new model of the Groq. This is a good article about LLaVA v1.5, and you can find enough information about this model. What is LLaVA? For visual question answering, for caption generation, actually we saw in the application, for optical character recognition, actually OCR, identifying text in image, and multimodal dialogue. So it's perfect for our actually works. Can we imagine how amazing application you can make with this great model? And it's really great, and especially in the industry specific benefits. For example, in our case, we use this benefit finance, and we made a very clear econometrics agent with GroqLLaVAMA, combination of GroqLLaVA and Llama. So just put a little time to study this article. It can be great. And again, you have access to all my applications in my Hugging Face hub. And I would appreciate if you enjoy this video. Please check my GitHub Rad1367, and I made all codes for you here. You have access to this well-written README file, all explanation about this application, how you can actually install it locally on your computer, and how you can use it in Hugging Face. But let's try and let's explain the code. It's an easy code. It's not complicated. Large language models makes everything easy. We use Gradio, we use Groq. So if you check requirements, we have not a lot of requirements. It's just two, Gradio and Groq. Just need to install Gradio and Groq. Base 64 is for actually encoding our image. So we need, because the machine cannot understand the image, you need to convert the image to numbers, and one of the best ways is to use base 64. And always is for our environmental variable. In our case, actually, because I don't like to share my API key for everyone, you need to input your personal Groq API key. Okay. So we use two model, LLaVA model and Llama 3.1 model. After that, image encoding function. Actually, we made a different function. Use a function make everything really easy. So we break the project to different functions. Encode image for encoding the image to text. Actually, it's part of the code. We try to get description about image, and we use error handling. We use try, except, and if you are familiar with Python, I know that you are familiar because you know because you see this video. So in every application, I usually try to use try, except, else to handle any kinds of error. It can be really useful. This is the part you saw in the code. Please enter correct API key and try again. So we always try to handle error. Technical review generation function related to Llama 3. In this part, I limited this application in this way, and the only keywords are sensitive about our application. Actually, our technical review generation just can provide any kinds of report when it's actually feel there is a connection between econometrics, finance, marketing, stock, prediction, chart, graph, and time series. And about bird, remember just our beautiful, cute bird. There is not any keyword related to this one, so it's just considered it's not relevant to our purpose. So finally, we use the process image, and actually it's really easy code to understand. It's really easy code. Some CSS stuff to make it more stylish, and finally Gradio interface and gear block, and I use this Gradio soft theme. And because I like to see everything row by row, so this is the reason I use with gr.row, and I made this beautiful user interface and this separate report and image description part. I think that's great. So that's all about this application. Again and again, I would appreciate if you just check my GitHub page and like this repo. It can be really heartwarming for me, and I hope that I can understand. Yeah, you saw this repo. Actually, it was useful for you. So I'm just waiting for your likes here. So please make a small like here on this repo, make a small like on this application, and it can be really useful. So please check my YouTube as well for this video, and make like if you like, and subscribe if you like. And that's all about this application. I try to make another video about how you can deploy this application on Amazon Web Service. It can be actually it can be good and practical. and make more application in the future. So thank you so much. It was really great and have a nice day. Bye bye.